few weeks ago, Reed and I took everything that we own in this van and moved it into an Airbnb so that we could have a place for our dog Bella to heal from her ACL surgery. Now it is time for us to move back in this van and get on the road. We have plans to make our way all the way back to the United States, but there are a few things that we need to do in order to get ready to leave this Airbnb. And this list includes cleaning up this van, these tanks, this compostable toilet, ew, finish washing these clothes, scrubbing this fridge, restocking these cabinets, and repacking every single thing that we took out of this van back into it. We're closing the door on this place.
We are out of here. We got the package. Kind of want to run back and run through everything one more time, but just for good measure. But yeah, we're hitting the road. We're going south.
North.
Next stop, Cabo, to get Bella some dog food.
I guess we are going south. It has taken us 2 days to pack up and get ready to leave this place. Here's Cat. Oh. But we are finally packed up. And unfortunately, we're saying goodbye to this beautiful place. I have all the feels. It's been such a great place to get back on track after having a lot of burnout. I'm really excited to get back on the road. There's so much to see on the way north. We're gonna say goodbye to some friends on the way out, and then we're on our way. Bye.
It's been really good to start running here, to have the same pathway, same course that I was running daily or every other day. It was just nice to have that foundation so that now as we start hitting the road again, I can't lose what I earned, the skills and the talents that I've acquired. I need to keep that going.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
We went to Costco and loaded up, and now we have too much food. I don't think we even know how to van life anymore. A month out of the van has changed us. No, I'm just kidding. We just stocked up because we know that farther north we get, it's gonna be harder for us to find the groceries that we want. So we stocked up. We got so many things. Good morning from Cabo. We have slept at this spot multiple times. It's just nice that we got a chance to sleep at it one more time before we leave, because we have some really fun memories here with our friends. We have spent a good amount of time swimming in this ocean. It's like a chance to say, see you next time, you know? Let's go check out the water because I love this view. Last night, like every night at this place, they have a fireworks show, and last night was no different. It's so funny. It's like every day's a celebration here. Look at this view though. Bella has an appointment with her vet today in La Paz, and that's at 10 o'clock. So we are going to hit the road right now so we can make it to her appointment. The moment of truth. We parked in soft sand last night, not fully, just with our back tires, and we're gonna figure out if we're stuck today. Good. Without a hitch. Good, good, good. Thank goodness. To La Paz we go. We just went to the vet. They don't like us to film, so we did not film our time in there. It was very informal anyway. They took out her stitches, and they also did an x-ray of her leg, and he said that it's coming along so well. He said the next time we should get an x-ray is in a month, and that she's just walking on it great, and just like everything's really good.
We are all out of windshield wiper fluid, so there's a lot of bugs, and we have a long journey back home. We gotta fill this bad boy up. Our nozzle's broken on our other side, so we go through windshield wiper abnormally fast. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, we have to be driving really fast to even have it hit the windshield. Pour that baby up.
Catch me hitting the shot. Ready? Oh, Jimmy Butler driving to the basket. The crowd goes wild. We're getting our car washed here at the Walmart. I've been wanting to do this since we've been in Baja. Every parking lot has people that want to wash your cars. So I was able to talk them down from 400 pesos down to 300 pesos.
Peak moss was secured. We luckily found a small bag. Reed found 2 small bags.
Usually it comes in this massive, like 55-pound looking bag. It's really like 10 pounds, but 10 pounds of peat moss is a lot. To find small peat moss is a luxury.
It is a luxury, and it's nice to have it here. Our only final chore for the day is to go get water. Once we've done that, we are good. Goodbye, Home Depot.
Time to go see our favorite water station people.
Now if you come here, our sticker is up there. We honestly love this place. You should come here if you need water filled in La Paz.
We got some tamales from Maria's Tamales here at the local Lay. It's actually our 3rd time going here. She's very nice. She's got her kid with her today. Her name is Michelle. I was trying to practice my Spanish, so I asked her name and, you know, some very basic phrases, but I'm working on it. But yeah, we got the rajas con queso because they're vegetarian. It's just like poblano, I think, and cheese. They're delicious. And we got a big old bag of salsa. I had her loaded up. We've gotten tamales a few times here in Mexico, and these are definitely my favorite veggie ones. The elote ones are always very sweet. Oh yeah. Oh. All right.
We are following Mariah and Blake. We are following them to Loretto. I thought we were gonna be here for 2 months. It's 4 months, and now I'm like, that's not enough time in Mexico. What flavor you get?
Strawberry and vanilla.
How is it? Let me try.
Got a little chunk of strawberry.
We're walking through Loretto, and it's so cute. I'm really enjoying it. Hi. Hi, Mama. I know. Oh my gosh, so cute. Hey, baby. Oh my goodness, you're so cute.
Yeah, I feel like when you're halfway, for sure.
Bring your vision to mind and repeat these words. I am ready. I am worthy. I am powerful. I deserve this life.
Good morning. We slept on the Malecon and it was a loud night. It is Sunday today, so last night people were out and about. Reed said it wasn't that late, but it's a nice place to wake up to. Definitely more humid than it was when we were farther south, which is interesting to me. Yeah, it's a great morning. We think we're gonna go walk around some of the shops. We checked out a few yesterday. There are a few souvenirs we wanna get for family before we leave Mexico. We are currently headed to a restaurant, a taco joint in town. We got some souvenirs. We got a few blankets. And actually, I can't say all the things we got because they're gonna be gifted. And this video is coming out before we're giving them out. So we'll wait to share what we got. But I'm excited to give them out. There were some really cute shops. I really like Loretto so far. Very happy. What'd you get?
I don't know.
Looks like a gordita.
When you started naming stuff.
So that's a gordita, right?
We got gordita. We got a quesadilla.
The quesadilla looks good. We got a gordita.
We're rolling out of Loretto. Loretto's been good to us. We've had some good food and hung out with some good friends on the Malecon. And now we're gonna go through our first military checkpoint in the past 4 months. So it's like it's all brand new again. We're feeling excited to go across. We're headed towards... We're headed a little south of Milaje. There's some beaches there that we really want to check out on the Bay of Concepcion, Bahia Concepcion.
Reed says he's excited to cross this military checkpoint. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, because there's no reason for me to be or for us to be. We just haven't done it in so long that it feels weird to do it, you know? Good morning from Bahia Concepcion. So pretty out and peaceful. I'm glad you came back for me.
Yep. Had to show you what it was like out here. It's gorgeous.
I love it, I love it, I love it. I was just thinking about how this spot was our first taste of Baja, because we've been traveling so fast and we took 2 days to slow down and come to this spot. Reed was talking about this the other day, how us coming to this spot again and seeing it a second time is really, really cool, because to be able to be like, whoa, we've been here once, this is our second time, and we've come with all this new knowledge. While on our way down, we knew nothing about what it would be like to be in Baja. We didn't know what experiences we had. We didn't know who we'd meet. We didn't know, you know, what we'd learn. And so now to have all that knowledge and have all those experiences and come back to the same spot, it's really, really cool to see how we've grown in just 4 months' time and how much has unfolded since then.
I am excited to go back to the States, but it's also I'm in no rush at the same time.
It's a chapter closing, but also a new chapter beginning, because we don't even know what our summer is going to look like. We know we're gonna go back to Colorado and we might spend a couple months there, and then who knows? Who knows what will unfold from there? And that's kind of the thrill of being on the road. Oh, I totally think, oh my gosh, we just spotted dolphins. There's at least 2 dolphins ahead of us.
Pretty far away, they're like 100 yards away at least.
We knew we were hearing them because we kept hearing spouting. And we were like, what is that? What is that? There's something here. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Oh, there it is, there it is. Did you see it? Yeah, there they are. There's 2 of them. 1, 2, maybe 3. I'm so excited. We gotta get closer. Dolphins ahead. There they are. They're so fast. There are 4 of them. There's 4 of them. Ow.
That was so cool.
Oh my
They were
gosh.
pretty darn close.
That was really special. That was really special.
I wanted to paddle so hard, but I had to resist because I didn't want one paddle to spook them and then just go under and we don't get to see them again, you know?
Wasn't that special?
Yeah, really special.
We just crossed paths with them.
That was great.
Looks like they're headed out.
I mean, you can't beat that timing. Think about this whole bay and
I know. Oh my gosh, the wind really picked up, so we got off the water, but I am still in disbelief that we saw that little pod of dolphins swim by us while we were on the water. Look at the wind now though. It has drastically changed. We actually are gonna be leaving this spot. I'm getting van ready and Reed's cooling off before we hit the road once again. Bye, beautiful spot. Let's get out of here.